Yo, what's going on, traders? Welcome to my video, guys. This is the result, guys. If you did saw my previous video, guys, I showed you guys the way I took this trade right here using this strategy right here, guys. I showed you guys everything the way I took this this trade right here. You know what I'm saying? I showed you guys from zero. The reason why I was taking this trade, I'm gonna explain to you once again, in order to answer as well all these questions people used to be asking about how to use this strategy. Guys, I always explain, guys, how to use this strategy in a light way. So if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe and like this banger, man, for your boy. You know what I'm saying? And if you knew you are not in free telegram group, make sure you join free telegram group. And once you join a free telegram group, straight up go and join VIP group. If you are not in a VIP group, no cap, you're missing a lot. All the profits you see right here, guys, I took them with my team. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do, guys. Before I take the opportunity, I always first make sure I give to my team first, and then I take my ones Herrera, because I want everybody to make money once you already join. And say, so let me explain you guys how I was able to take this trade. You know what I'm saying? Right now as we speak, we already move. This is more than 100%. You know what I'm saying? This is more than 100%, because we already moved something about 120 pips. 120 pips. Yo, bro, this was crazy, bro. This is crazy. Guys, this is the reason why I'm always telling you guys, like, yo, bro, I don't really recommend anybody to scalp the market. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm down the road right now as we speak. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I can park nicely, but let me see if I can try to park nicely. But anyway, I think I'm safe. So this is the reason why, guys, I don't really recommend you guys to scalp the market. Bro, for real, trust me, bro. We've been through all different ways of trading, you know what I'm saying? But bro, trust me, if you new in a business and you feel like you want to do the business in a light way, please stop scalping the market. You know what I'm saying? Find the opportunity that starts from 60 pips, 50 pips. All right, you can take that trade. You know what I'm saying? 60 pips is all right to go up. But these pips, bro, this scalping of 10 pips, bro, please stop it, bro. You're going to lose a lot. A lot. So I stopped that shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't scalp the market. You know, my members, my VIP members, they knows that we don't scalp the market. We only trade once a day and get done with it. You know, if you want to lose so much, guys, it's about trading too much. You know, the market need to rest. You know what I'm saying? The market, it needs some, you must give the market some time to move, to show you the high probabilities, to show you the retest, to show you that the market has to give you the pullbacks, because the market is not, it's not gonna be always moving. You know what I'm saying? You need to breathe. You need to come back to the zone and breathe. And after the market has done breathing, then it's gonna give you the high, you know what I'm saying, or low, you know what I'm saying, according to the trend that you're trading. If you buying, it's gonna give you the high. If you is dropping, it's gonna give you the low, you know what I'm saying. So you need to know how to trade in a light way, you know what I'm saying. Even if you lose, but you must know, like, yo, bro, I was right. I was trading in a light way, you know what I'm saying. That's how it is. So the reason why I took this trade, guys, if you didn't know, now you know. You know what I'm saying? First of all, guys, you can see here, guys, the market was already reached this level right here. You can see level 89.39, you know what I'm saying? And then the market did move, shoot down, and then it did come back, you know what I'm saying? At this point, I catch this market, I find this market at this point right here. And then I saw that the market has been trying to break this area right here, which was this one here. Let me show you. I don't know if you all can see here. So I hope you all can see here right now. You know what I'm saying? If you look at the chart here, you can see that there's this some zone right here. There's some zone right here on the chart. You can see that there's some zone right here, which means the market did break this zone right here and give us the pullback at the same zone. This is where I catch the market when was the market already reached at this point right here, which we just continued with the pullback. This one was a pullback right here, as you can see here. This one was a pullback right here, and I told my team like, yo guys, you know what, let's get to it, you know what I'm saying? And then we took the opportunity, guys. After that, we start carrying the market. After that, the market gave us some TP1 right here. It did give us some TP1 right here, but what I saw that the market is going to move so much, you know what I'm saying? So every single time, guys, taking a risk is very important, you know what I'm saying? This is how I trade, because I don't like to be on the market every single minute. This is also part of controlling your emotion. What I do is I always wait for the market to give me some pullback, and once the market starts moving, the first movement, I always chill, you know what I'm saying? And the first movement is the one which is always has a TP1, and after the first movement we always got a pullback, you know what I'm saying? I always wait for the pullback, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, the first move is the one which is always give me my break even right here, you know what I'm saying? I shift my stop loss to the break even, and then after break even I wait for pullback. After pullback, once the market start the new continuation, I always shift my stop loss at the previous, you know what I'm saying, at the previous pullback, you know what I'm saying, at the previous pullback, which I took my stop loss and shifted inside the profit, you know what I'm saying? This is how I do it, because I'm doing this a lot of times because I don't care, maybe the market is gonna hit me out with a small profit, but what I care about is, if you want to know how much the strategy works, you need to use same strategy over and over. So I've done this for many times, and I've seen how many times I always win, you know what I'm saying? I always win. Many times I win by doing this. So if let's say like I shifted my stop loss at this point here, and the market came back, and then hit me out. This is today, all right, but hit me out with a profit, but small profit, where I was supposed to take my profit right here. This is first day, I don't mind, but do it over time. That's where you're gonna know that maybe this kind of strategy gonna win or not. But because I'm doing this many times I win. Many times I win. So this is how I do it. But at the same time, my team, I always give them the first take profit, I give them the second take profit. So whoever who feels like you're happy with the first take profit, you can take it and go home. But after the first take profit, you can continue with your own risk, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I do, by my own risk, and I win a lot. I literally win a lot. So guys, stop scalping in the market. This is the result, guys. I showed you guys that the day we took this entry was yesterday, but yesterday it couldn't move so much. It just moved so much today, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I managed to kill this market. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you do the right thing, and you know what to do, you know what I'm saying? Let me continue driving, guys. Let me continue driving. I'm down the road right here. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.